Hello, YouTube guys. Welcome to another video. And today I've thought of comparing a bit these models, the three Phoenix models that I've got. So yeah, as you can see, the Air Seashells, the first model, the first unboxing, I was really nervous in the first unboxing. I didn't know what to say, but yeah, the previous two, the KLM one, I think they are the best. So yeah, so today I thought of comparing a bit these planes. So yeah, so let's move a bit the camera. So here the Air Seashells, the Garuda and the KLM. The first thing that I really looked at it that certain way, how big the KLM plane is from the box. Their boxes are the KLM box is huge, and the Air Seashells box is tiny. Yeah, the Garuda one stays in the middle. So, and as well, let's take the Air Seashells to compare it with the KLM. So yeah, so look how big it is, guys. Yes, the KLM, the Boeing 747. I try to imagine them, the A320 and the Boeing 747 near each other. So I think that a small tiny flyer they would be, and a person. Or okay, let's make it a rat. So a fly versus a rat. Yeah, I think. So the model, and I also noticed, yeah, how big the KLM is. The KLM wing holds the A320 Seashells, Air Seashells A320. About their livery, if we take as well the Garuda livery, I think that the best livery and one of the best liveries we have is the Air Seashells. I think it's one of the best in the world. It's not because of my Air Seashells, but yeah, it's pretty nice. The birds, I don't know what they are called, but yeah, it's nice. I think I kind of like the planes that here the first 3/4 of it they would have white. There would be a white body, and here then the last part, their tail would be good colored with yes, but like the Hawaiian plane is another great livery, and I think of getting one in the future, a Hawaiian plane. So here we have the Air Seashells and the KLM 747, and as well, yeah, the landing gear. So they are rollable, so we can move them. The Air Seashells is quite light, but the KLM it's a bit heavy to move. So yeah, so I don't know if this is a Phoenix issue, but I think I'm seeing it a bit. The level of the A320 is a bit much more. It's a bit down. So I think, but it's not a Phoenix issue. I think it's in reality as well like that. Oops. Okay. So this is the KLM and that's the Air Seashells. So let's move to the Garuda now. The Garuda Indonesia. So let's put this here. The Garuda Indonesia. As well, it's the A320-300. It's a long plane. but it's not that long, so yeah, it's a bit more than half the A320. So as we can see as well, the Garuda plane is as well. I noticed that this one is much more higher than the KLM. I'm talking about the wings as well. So I think that it's not a Phoenix issue, but it's in reality how they are. So yeah, so these are the planes, and as well as before I mentioned about the boxes. So for you guys to see how the KLM, it's big, and it's big box, and the Air Seychelles one, look how tiny it is. The KLM is pretty big, and the Air Seychelles, it's very small for it. Oops. But yeah. So here is the planes. So I rate from their colors. I rate from the best livery is the Air Seychelles, and the best box, I think it's the Air Seychelles too. I think about it as well. Yes, I know that if you remember my first video, it did have if you can see, a bump here, and here as well. It's a bit damaged, the box. If you can zoom here, you can see it. But I think it's quite a nice box. So this is what I like about Phoenix. I like collecting planes, but as well I like their boxes. They have awesome boxes. Not like Gemini jets. They have those classic boxes, but after a while you get fed up. We all get fed up of those the same thing. But yeah, they are still quite nice, those boxes. And as well, there's the NG Models boxes, like Phoenix. They have, all the planes have a different box, a different their design. So yeah, in the future I plan, as I said in the previous unboxing, the KLM one. So if they are, I'm interested of getting more models, and from different companies, as I said, and from NG Models and Gemini Jets. But for now, I don't know when for me to decide. It's a bit of a problem. So yeah, for me to decide the KLM and Garuda, I took about 2 weeks to decide for me which planes what I bring. So yeah, it's going to be a bit long, and as well I got them from Malaysia, so it took me 3 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, about 3 weeks for them to get here. So the more unboxings are coming, but not right now. They have a bit, but yeah. So please like these videos and subscribe, and push the notification bells for new videos if to come to notify you. And yeah, so thank you very much, and hope to see you in our next video. Thank you.